I wanted to go over Minvo, which is a really awesome AI editing tool, and I love this. So I literally made a couple clips in only about 5 minutes. So I basically took my YouTube video link of one of my videos right here, and I put it in. So it's so easy. I went here and I said I'm gonna make some shorts from a video. I I didn't do the file upload. I just put the YouTube link, and it took this YouTube video that was about 37 minutes, and it did take about 5 minutes, but then it showed me all these clips that it made, and it was really great because I didn't have to use all these clips, but it made a variety of clips. It allowed me to preview them right here, all
So
on the
that was
same
in the
screen,
back of my mind already as a
and look at
precursor,
these
like,
really
uh-oh,
neat
planning
little
wise, where's this
subtitles it
going to take
made
me
that
down
was
the road?
moving
And I have
and
to have, the
highlighted,
ergonomic
and
skills
it's
to
got
be
my
able to be
brand,
proficient in my
and it was great.
job
And so I
and
could click
produce the
edit,
standards and the
download it,
productivity that
and so what I did is I connected my YouTube account, and so then I posted from here, which I'll go to projects here. So I liked these two videos. I selected these two videos for my projects. I went here, I went to post, and it allowed me to post right to YouTube right from Minvo. So I'm really enjoying how fast this is. It's like a scheduler tool plus AI video. Oh, and what was even more neat about Minvo is I had the AI create my headings here and create the post. So it was really great. So it posted, I'll try to show you here, right here. I don't want to make a caption. I'm going to have AI make a caption in 20, maybe 3 seconds. So it made this caption for me. It's going to now make my hashtags. And so it made my title, made my hashtags, made my caption, edited my video. It looks super cute. And now, oh, it's a little bit over the limit here. So that's one thing. It'd be nice for them to know how many characters to write the caption for. But let's see here. So I'm just going to make it just elevate your career here. And then I'm going to go to schedule. And right here, it's all there. I've already got one here scheduled, so I'm going to choose it to be scheduled there. And that's it. So I love this tool so far. Are there a couple little quirks? Yes. Like it'd be nice for them to know exactly how many characters for each one here so that the AI only did that specific amount. But otherwise, and it did take about 7 minutes for the video to load, but I've got an editing software here and I'm really super happy with it. I'm enjoying this. I'm still learning about it, and hopefully there's going to be a couple more different ways to select different subtitles, but you can delete it, you can rename it, you can duplicate it, download, edit it, post to YouTube and many different channels right from here. Here's my social calendar, all my uploads. So really enjoying this tool, and I suggest you take a look at Minvo.